Okay, let's solve for the remaining sides and angles of the described triangle. Okay, so we don't need to use the law of sines to find this missing angle here. Remember that angles will always add up to 180 degrees in a triangle. Okay, so gamma is going to equal 180 degrees minus alpha, which is 73.2 degrees, minus beta, which is 54.1 degrees, and that actually comes out to be 52.7. So 52.7 degrees is my missing angle. Okay, so I found gamma. Now I need to use the law of sines in order to find the missing sides. Okay, I'm going to start with B. Okay, side B here. Okay, well, B over sine of 54.1 degrees, which is beta, equals A, 117, over sine of alpha, which is 73.2 degrees. Okay, I'm going to solve this. What I need to do is multiply both sides by the denominator of B. So that's going to be sine 54.1 degrees. So I'll multiply both sides by that, and I end up with this expression here, which is sine of 54.1 degrees times 117 over sine of 73.2 degrees. Okay, now I'll type that in my calculator as I see it, and that comes out to be 99. I'm going to round that off to 99.0. My general rule for rounding on these types of problems is if the side length is given to me as a whole number, I'm going to add it 1 decimal. If I were given something, say, a single decimal, then I would add 2 decimal places, and so on. I like to add an extra decimal place after the value, okay, than what's given to me. Okay, so that would be side B. Okay. Now to find side C, avoid the temptation of using the Pythagorean theorem. Remember that only applies to right triangles. Okay, this is not a right triangle because I do not have 90 degrees as one of my angles. Okay, so to find side C, I'm going to use the law of sines. C over sine of gamma, 52.7 degrees, equals, and I can use either A and alpha or B and beta, just pick one. I'm going to pick the A because that was given to me. I could have messed up with this right here, right, potentially, and I don't want that to affect my answer. So I'm going to pick the number that was given to me because I know that that's correct. Okay, over sine of alpha, 73.2 degrees. Okay, multiply both sides by the denominator. In this case, sine of 52.7 degrees. Times the right side. And I'll type that in my calculator. And I get 97.2. 97.2. Okay, so I have the three angles, 73.2 degrees, 54.1 degrees, 52.7 degrees, and my three side lengths that are across from those given angles, 117, 99, and 97.2.